The Mystery Man!
It seems the real suspect might be someone else.
Labrador, was the mango juice fountain fun?
Mystery Man, what you're doing is putting everyone in danger.
Everyone? Everyone seems fine to me.
No matter who you are, I will catch you.
Labrador, you won't catch me in a million years. The biggest surprise is yet to come. Tomorrow is the Mango Festival opening ceremony. Get ready for it.
Oh, that bad guy's gonna do something bad again! Don't worry, we have Sheriff Labrador.
He'll catch the bad guy for sure.
That's right, we believe in him!
Dobie, Papillon, we have to catch the Mystery Man. Let's split up and look for him.
Little Mango, you're back. Did you find the suspect?
No.
He's nowhere to be found.
He's so sneaky.
Don't worry, you will catch him.
Everyone, come and eat. I just made a whole table of yummy food.
Wow! Come on, you need a full tummy to catch the bad guy. Little Mango, come here. Oh, little Mango.
Itch-it flower, drone jammer, and expansion capsules. Who is the Mystery Man? I must have missed a clue somewhere.
Labrador, you won't catch me in a million years.
Oh, what is this?
Little Mango.
Oh,
Little Mango.
Grandma?
Have some of your favorite mango-flavored goodie cookies.
Thanks, Grandma. So delicious.
Yummy food can chase your worries away. These cookies always made you laugh. Look. Crumbs all around your mouth. Oh?
I tried on Mom's police uniform.
You always wanted to be a great police officer.
Everyone trusts me, but I couldn't keep them safe. I can't even catch the Mystery Man. Maybe I'm not a good officer after all.
Even police officers have hard times. Little Mango, do you remember this photo? This is you helping Little Marmot find his toy. You searched for so long.
And here I was helping Grandma Mole.
And this one. This is when you caught the thief and got Grandma Duck's bag back. You chased him for 3 blocks. Little Mango, you know what? People trust you not because you never fail, but because you are kind, brave, and have a heart that truly wants to help everyone. Being like that already makes you a great police officer.
I understand. Thanks, Grandma. I'll keep working hard to catch the Mystery Man and keep everyone safe. Huh? Golden spots?
Oh, that's the color of Golden Beauty Serum. That Dalmatian kid said circles are the perfect spots. So ever since he was little, he's used this serum to make his spots perfect circles.
Golden Beauty Serum? Ah! It was on the drone jammer, the itch-it flower, and the capsules too. Could it be? Thank you, Grandma. Grandma, I'll be right back.
Be careful.
Hey! I'm home. Oh? Uh-oh. my spots got rubbed off. My spots look so good. Huh? Who is it? Coming, coming. Hey, Labrador, it's you. Welcome to my spotty manor. Come on in. Are you home alone? That's right. Have a seat. I'll go get you some snacks. Oh, Dalmatian, your spots look so nice, all sparkly and golden. They are the most perfect, shiniest circles ever. Want to know a secret? I drew them with golden beauty serum. Oh? Look! This is it! I'm the only one in the world who has it. Oh, I forgot the tea. Dalmatian, do you know who's been ruining the Mango Festival? Ow!
I don't know. Who is this mystery person? Such a terrible person.
Take a look at these photos. Oh? Every clue from the mystery man has traces of golden beauty serum. What? You don't suspect me, do you? I was just joking earlier. This serum is sold everywhere. Lots of people use it. Itch-it flowers, drone jammers, expansion capsules, and even a voice changer. These are all the Mystery Man's tools. Dalmatian, you are the Mystery Man.